Hi, my name is Sergey Savinok, owner of Architectural Mall. Today's video, we are installing cellular PVC column covers, and this is how to do it. First step is to get your height, mark it on the column, and trim the column from the bottom. Use a triangle to make straight lines for your cut. Wearing safety glasses, use your skill saw to make the cut. Once you get all your columns cut to the exact height, the next step would be to attach your cleats. Install the cleats using the screws provided. Screw from the inside of the column and put the cleats on the outside. Here's what the cleat looks like after it has been installed. Using the provided adhesive, glue the entire seam on both sides of the column. Join the two halves together, and using non-corrosive fasteners, we will be using brad nails. Join the columns every 6 to 8 inches. Using brad nails, shoot the two column halves together every 6 to 8 inches. Use a level to make sure that your column is perfectly plumb. Once the column is all plumbed, secure it using the same brad nails. Using a drill, drill holes straight down into the cleats to attach the bottom of the column. Using non-corrosive, in this case concrete tap cones, secure the base of the column to the substrate. Using the same adhesive provided, put a bead around the base of the column where the base will sit on. Put a generous amount and put another bead about 4 inches up. Apply that same adhesive on the edges of the two miters on your base. Using the same non-corrosive brad nails, join the bases together at the corners, as well as putting a couple shots joining the base to the column. Repeat the same procedure for the cap area, applying adhesive. Use the same brad nails to attach the cap. First column is up, 3 more to go. 4 hours later, completely different look. For pricing and availability, give us a call. 877-279-9993. Thank you for watching this video.